I want to talk to you about Shopify Plus. And when you think about e-commerce in general, everybody knows Shopify. That's for sure, right? The giant in terms of e-commerce. But a lot of folks don't know about the Shopify Plus. And to this conversation, I want to have a quick in-depth review of this platform. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. When you think about Shopify Plus, I want you to think about an upgrade from the basic e-commerce package that actually provides entrepreneurs with everything they need to operate efficiently online. In other words, when you think about Shopify Plus, think about a tool or a platform, if you will, that lets you process thousands of orders per minute without your store crashing. There's also no restriction on sales volume, number of products featured, storage, and bandwidth. It's unlimited access to Shopify's best features to ensure that your business actually keeps up with the influx of users. So when you think about the Shopify Plus, think about ultimately a very user-friendly alternative to similar options on platforms like Magento for enterprises and BigCommerce for enterprise. So this is really another level and a higher level of enterprise e-commerce. Okay. So when we think about Shopify Plus, what kind of target audience are we thinking about? Well, when it comes to who can use Shopify Plus, it really depends on the capabilities of the person, the capabilities that the user is seeking. But long story short, one can describe Shopify Plus as e-commerce on steroids. Okay, these features let high traffic stores handle orders without hiccups. However, the service is not accessible to all users on Shopify. I mean, Shopify is really sort of strict or really detailed in terms of who can actually qualify. So while not a core requirement, the Shopify Plus plan best suits online businesses with high monthly traffic, resulting in at least let's say close to $1 million per year. So interested sellers will also have to pay the monthly Shopify Plus cost, which really starts at $2,300. Okay, so that's really an important element to think about. $2,300 per month. So that's I'll speak about cost later on, but I just want to give you a basic idea about the whole thing. I want to talk to you about the features here. When we think about Shopify Plus, what kind of features can you expect? First of all, it's important to understand that your business on Shopify Plus may also benefit from Shopify Plus capabilities, advanced capabilities like automation, dedicated support, deep customization, and complex integration. Okay, and so let's go through some of the features that you can actually expect to have within Shopify Plus. First of all, you have the script editor access. You have multi-channel integration. You have Shopify Organization Admin, Shopify POS Pro, POS Point of Sale, and you also have access to hundreds of themes. Let's first let's talk about the script editor. So Shopify's script allows merchants to offer a personalized experience for their customers, especially on the cart and checkout pages. Okay, there you have things like shipping, you have things like the VAT or sales tax, and so you can really customize things there. And this script can also be modified to create functionalities for items like discounts based on percentage, based on transactional volume. You can have flexible pricing with volume-based price breaks, and even buy one, get one free offers. So that gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of retaining your customers. What about multi-channel integration? So Shopify understands that most big businesses actually sell on various platforms, and so it allows sellers to manage them using Shopify Plus. Essentially, by subscribing to Shopify's premium plan, you can actually combine your other stores from sites like Amazon and Walmart. Now, this does not only include stores, but you, as a merchant, you can integrate social media platforms, messaging apps, and online communities. So, bottom line here is what? Bottom line is to make sure that you are finding very easy to expand your business while on Shopify. And businesses can also pick from over 100 payment options like Apple Pay, PayPal, Amazon, and Google Pay from their website. So that's kind of cool. Therefore, people have more familiar order options, and this allows what? A more comfortable customer experience. So that's kind of cool from a scalability point of view, we love that a lot. And also from a customer retention point of view, this is really good because you are actually giving folks what they are already comfortable with. And so they will be willing to actually spend more time with on your store and hopefully buy more stuff too. So that's kind of cool. And based on our investigations, we've seen that the stores on Shopify Plus were able to raise their revenue month over month from 23 to 33 to from 23 to 35%. I'm still talking to you about the features you can expect to have within Shopify Plus. So we also have the Shopify Organization Admin. So Shopify Admin contains all the information about your businesses on Shopify, and this is where you handle all your store's tasks. On the other hand, Shopify Plus has the Shopify Organization Admin, which is really an upgraded version of the basic one. It's more complex, it's more advanced. This feature helps you, for instance, manage several stores on different platforms, but on basically at a level that's really organizational. And as a merchant, you also get analytics, overviews, you have user management, store management, and Shopify store management for better control. So you have a more holistic view, a more all-in-one view here. And so with Shopify Organization Admin, you can complete several store-related activities like checking the amount of sales and orders across all platforms. You can also add new users to the organization and more. So that's kind of cool in terms of scalability. You are well served here. Another feature that we love within Shopify Plus is actually access to the Shopify POS Pro. So, I mean, at some point, really the thing is that as a customer, you may want to launch a physical store as an extension of your online presence. However, one challenge is actually the difficulty that we have seen in practice of let's say on one end keeping track of your inventory to ensure both customers offline and online are satisfied, right? And on the other end, to make sure that things are done seamlessly. And so Shopify Plus helps you manage this problem with Shopify POS, which basically lets you let you and your team take orders through the same point of sale. Therefore, you can actually update your inventory across all stores in real time. And the cool thing is that this works with an unlimited amount of staff and locations. So from a geography and a chronology and demographics point of view, you will really you will love this aspect of things. You also have access to hundreds of themes. So themes allows merchants to all themes allow merchants to customize their stores to give customers a more enjoyable shopping experience. And the cool thing is that with Shopify Plus, you can access over 100 themes, allowing you to play around more freely. So that's kind of cool. Let's talk about costs here. So as you can see on the screen here, Shopify Plus wants you to really contact them to discuss, everything that you want to have. But based on our experience, Shopify Plus actually costs around $2,300 per month. Okay, and so if you're interested, you have to contact Shopify Plus. Shopify wants you to give your full name, first name, last name, your business email, business phone. Don't give your Gmail or Hotmail or Live.com account. They're not going to accept it. Okay, and so you have to be really talk about what really is important to you, your country, your niche, and blah blah blah. I mean those kind of stuff. Now, one thing for sure, you need to really understand when you think about $2,300 for $2,300 or $2,500 per month, this might be a little expensive to you. But hold on a second. You got to really think about things like development cost, data migration, Shopify Plus license fees, transaction fees. Okay, now those actually can be can come in addition, or even can come in addition or in exclusion to your account. Also, I did not forget about the app fees. But what we have seen in our research is that basically when you actually subscribe to a Shopify Plus account, all those costs that I just told you, development cost, data migration, Shopify Plus license fee, transaction fees, and app fees, they actually are free. I mean, you basically pay one time $2,300. I mean, it's a monthly, it's an ongoing cost, right? You pay $2,300 every month, and all the other costs are just gone. So your Shopify Plus store is far more complex than the basic version. which takes 3 hours to set up and start selling. So since you are a business handling thousands of orders and several employees, you will need a professional developer. And this expert will help construct your Shopify store to meet your needs, harness the necessary features, and ensure every aspect works as expected. So this cost is actually difficult to predict because it is between you and the developer. But if you do things right, Shopify can actually absorb part of it for you. You also got to think about data migration. So it's important when you switch to Shopify Plus, it takes a certain period to migrate your data from your old store to the new one. And this won't cost you money, but it takes around 90 days to complete. So during the data migration period, what happens here is that you must maintain your Shopify Basic and Shopify Plus accounts. So those two accounts must be valid. The opportunity cost during this phase is relatively high because you may miss some transactions due to a slower store, and you have to pay the developer to maintain the Shopify Plus store. You also got to think about the Shopify Plus license fee, right? It's important. What about the transaction fees also? So if you go to the POS system, there is a transaction fee expected. So and you got to really be sure about those fees also, because But the thing is, if you actually use Shopify's payment processor, Shopify Payments, basically you can avoid this fee. That's really that's a smart move. What about the app fees? The app fees are like basically $200 to $300. In some cases, $500 a month. Let's talk about the evaluation here. So when we think about Shopify Plus, what are the pros? What are the cons here? So if you listen to me right now, what are the benefits you can expect to have within Shopify Plus? Well, let's first talk about the pluses. You have better security patches, load testing, point relays overheads, and online store hosting. You have unlimited online storage and bandwidth and a 99.99% average uptime. Practical AI tools like Shopify Flow and Launchpad to handle repetitive tasks. You have continuous updates to improve the Shopify experience. You have various themes and app integrations for business growth. And again, here I want to insist on quick business growth. You have a wide variety of customization tools and app integrations in terms of different niches. You have a personalized customer service rep that's assigned to a Shopify Plus, and you have a tool that makes it very easy to use SDKs and APIs. So that's kind of cool. So that's really a non-exhaustive list of all the pluses. Let's talk now about the minuses. When you think about Shopify Plus, you have limitations in content management. You actually this transition to Shopify Plus requires knowledge of web development to build a Shopify Plus store effectively. That's what I was saying a little earlier in terms of development cost. And right now, this platform lacks modern multi-store architecture, unlike Magento for Enterprise and Salesforce Commerce Cloud, which we have reviewed, by the way, on this show before. Some products are restricted when using Shopify payments, so this is something to really think about. And this has to do with the location also, because those involve monetary transactions that actually fall under certain jurisdictions, and certain locations do not allow certain transactions. And also, Shopify Plus, in our view, has mediocre SEO features, and this is something that they really need to work on. I mean, we expect this to be improved in the future, but right now it's really mediocre. Let me give you a bonus here. When you think about Shopify Plus, when should you actually upgrade to this platform? The thing is that Shopify presents actually interested merchants with 3 plans. So you have a basic Shopify, you have the Shopify plan, that's the intermediary plan, and you also have Shopify Advanced, right? Now, the more significant is the most sophisticated and gives you access to more than 15 staff accounts and some excellent advanced features, that's for sure. So typically, Shopify Advanced is enough for most big online stores based on our investigation. So you don't have to actually spend $2,300 if you don't have to. But the next phase is Shopify Plus. When you pass Shopify Advanced, then you have to really upgrade to Shopify Plus. Now, upgrading gives you unlimited access to Shopify's offerings for a relatively steep monthly price, $2,300. Okay, and so other reasons that may qualify you for Shopify Plus are that if you need additional clone stores because Shopify Plus offers 10, if you want to sell in multiple countries with different languages, for instance, if you're planning to switch from, let's say, retail to wholesale, if you need to create regulations for promotions, payments based on customers, shopping logic, and more, and if you want to automate repetitive tasks and focus on more productive aspects of your business. So bottom line is, one thing for sure, if you have to upgrade to Shopify Plus, the economic aspect of things must be there. In other words, you gotta be making money. There has to be a justification from a monetary standpoint for you to really say, you know what, I think it makes sense to move on to Shopify Plus. Now, is it worth it? Let's talk about it. Is Shopify Plus worth it this year, at least? Well, our answer is yes. Shopify Plus is really worth it, but you gotta have the budget for it, right? And you also gotta have the logistical need for it. I mean, Shopify Plus presents you and other online merchants with more dynamic support and permission options for your shop. So this freedom actually gives store owners like you and me more resources to handle large orders and staff members rather. So determining if this is worth it will depend on you. That's why it's really best to research other options to make an informed decisions. So the thing is that you got to ask yourself, what kind of traffic are you driving to your store? What kind of transactional volumes are you handling? What kind of uptime versus downtime delta do you have? What kind of vision do you have for your store, right? Let's say 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 3 months from now. What kind of vision do you have? So when we talk about months, we are speaking about scalability, because you have to really understand the whole thing here is that Shopify Plus brings you to another level. That's for sure. But maybe you just need Shopify Basic, or you need Shopify Advanced, maybe, or Shopify Premium. Because the bottom line here is that you can actually test out Shopify Plus or with one store and see how things work out to see if you like it or not before actually making the switch. Because the bottom line here is that you have to really understand that Shopify Plus gives you that total freedom. Okay, and one thing for sure, you do not want to think about Shopify Plus if you are still in Shopify Basic. That's for sure, because Shopify Basic merely gives you an online shop to sell things with minimal control and features on your dashboard, right? You have low traffic and you're not making enough money. As I said earlier, for you to really think about Shopify Plus, $1 million in our view, $1 million every year will actually justify this transition. I mean, if you're making $1 million in revenue, paying $2,300 per month for this migration, it's not really a big deal. But if you're making, let's say, $10,000 a month, or you're making $5,000 a month, for you to actually pay $2,300 out of it, that's really crazy. You do not want to make that move anyway, right? So that's important. Now, when it comes to the Shopify Plus, Shopify gives you a one main domain when registered. On regular plans, merchants can get up to 10 subdomains, but on Shopify Plus, you can actually have up to 1,000 subdomains. So this number allows traders to set up multiple iterations of the same for different purposes, resulting in more revenue for the brand, and that's really good. So in ending to this conversation, I spoke to you about Shopify Plus, and this was a review of the platform. I gave you the overview, the features, the cost, the evaluation, the bonus, and whether or not this tool is worth it or not. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.